Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to increase your Kabbage credit limits. So you've been using Kabbage for a while, and now you want more buying power. Well, maybe sales are up or your business is growing fast. Yeah, let's talk about how to show Kabbage that you're ready for more. So the first step is to maintain strong financial activity. Now, Kabbage doesn't just hand out increase based on time; they look at real-time performance. So if your business is consistently bringing in revenue and managing cash flow well, that's a green flag. Now, here's what helps. The first is higher monthly revenue over time. You also have low returns slash refund rates, also consistent deposits into your business account, as well as no overdraft or negative balances. These all help to show Kabbage that you're ready for more. Now, if your numbers are trending up, you're more likely to get a higher limit. Step two, link additional finance accounts. So if you only linked one account during your initial setup, you want to go back and add more. Now add your accounting software like QuickBook or Zero. You also want to link platforms like Stripe, PayPal, or Square. And also, the more data you provide, the clearer picture Kabbage has, and that can justify a larger line of credits. Step 3, repay on time or early. Now, Kabbage watches your repayment behavior closely. If you're consistently on time or paying early, you're building trust. Now, paying down your existing credits early can also show that your business has solid cash flow, which is exactly what Kabbage likes to see before bumping up your limits. Step 4, request a review. Now, sometimes if your revenue has grown significantly or your business has leveled up, you can contact Kabbage support and ask for a manual review of your account. And just be ready to show supporting documents like updated financial statements, bank statements showing increased deposits, as well as tax returns or proof of increased sales. Step 5, let time do the thing. Now, Kabbage performs periodic reviews automatically, so even if you don't request one, you might see your credit limit go up after several months of solid use. A bonus tip, don't max out your credit line regularly. Now, keeping your credit utilization under control shows that you're responsible with credit, which can increase your chances of an offer. And that's how you get that credit limit to grow. Use the line wisely, keep your account healthy, and Kabbage might reward you sooner than you think. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.